We're making one of Michael's favorites, a Vidalia onion pie. And listen to him. When Michael makes that noise, I know I've got a home run. So, Michael, I need about 3/4 of a cup of the diced onions for our meatloaf.
Okay.
And if you'll just put it in that bowl for me, and then I'm going to need for you to thinly slice those 2 whole onions.
I'll do it.
And then we're going to put them in the pan and kind of caramelize them, because that's going to go in our pie. Thank you. And Michael, could you put about 3 tablespoons of butter in that pan?
2, 3.
Oh, look, he measures like me. I love it. To put our Vidalia onion pie together, it's so simple, y'all. Now, we have just used a refrigerator crust, and you can see I'm using a real deep pie dish. All right, so I'm gonna measure out a 1/2 cup of milk. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of flour to my bowl, because that's gonna make our pie like custardy. All right, now I've got my 2 eggs. Why? The baby dogs have just come in here.
Hunting dog.
Hunting dogs. That's what Michael said when we first met. He would walk my dogs, and of course his friends would see him with these 2 little sissy dogs with their rhinestone collars, and Michael would say, "Hey guys, I'm walking my hunting dogs." All right, so there we go. I wanted to beat my flour up first with those eggs before I added my liquid so I could control the lumping. I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna need 1.5 cups of sour cream, and I recommend using a full-strength sour cream, not a light. And that's it. We've got our custard now for our Vidalia onion pie. Look how smooth that is. Isn't that pretty? How you coming, baby?
I think they're about ready.
Okie doke. All right, so I'm gonna take our bacon and I'm gonna just crumble it up, because we're gonna put this on top of our pie. Okay, Mikey. You wanna dump your onions, baby?
Yeah.
Just dump them into the bottom of our pie crust.
I'll do it.
We're just gonna pour our custard on top of our onions. All right, so look at this, Michael. How yummy is that? Now I'm just gonna take our bacon. We're just gonna pile that on top. And we're gonna bake that in the oven, a 325-degree preheated oven, for about 30 minutes. Just long enough for those eggs and the milk to set. It's gonna be delicious. Coming up, y'all, I've got a perfectly sweet side dish to complete our savory meal. And later, I'm fixing coffee and dessert, all in one delicious bite. Yum. We're back, y'all. Michael's taking our onion pie out. He's taking our meatloaf out.
Oh, look how pretty it is.
Look at that onion pie. Just sit it right there on the trivet.
Oh,
Gosh. That is
turning out pretty then.
beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at all that onion in there, y'all.
Smells so good.
Perfect. What a beautiful plate this is. Look at those onions.
Delicious.
Is it good? I'm so glad you like it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.